Hey guys, let's see how to fix the Kasa app not working on Android. If the app is crashing, for example, just come here to your Google Play Store and make sure that you have the latest app running. Let me just check here, search for Kasa, and then you're gonna look here for the latest version. I already have the latest version here, so I'm good to go. That's one thing that you can check. The other thing that you can check is just come here to the settings. And from here, look for apps. And then you need to find the Kasa apps there. There we go, apps here. And then you can just tap here to search Kasa. There we go. So I find the app here and I come to storage. And here you can clear the cache and also clear the data. So let me just tap here, clear the cache, and then clear data. Hit OK. And now your Kasa app should be working, right? And if it's still not working, you can just reinstall the app. You just come here, you can't uninstall the app. And then you come back to your app store and install again, right? Let me just come here again to App Store, and here I have the Kasa app, and I just need to install it again. So that's the solution, okay? If your Kasa app is not working on Android, just make sure that you have the latest version, clear the cache, clear the data, and reinstall the app if it's necessary, okay? And it's going to work. So I hope this helps. Please subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up and your comments, and I see you in the next one.